What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator, and I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul. So you guys want to see what I got on my last trip to Dollar Tree? Actually, you guys, it was on my last trip, but I went to 3 different Dollar Trees in my local area, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So in store number 1, I really didn't get that much. However, you guys, I found these in the little impulse buy section. They had pink, purple, green, and why can't I ever remember the 4th color? I don't know, you guys, but this one smelled the best to me. I think these owls are so cute, and this is hand soap. I saw a couple of your hauls or thumbnails and I was like, I wonder what that is. Is it lotion? Is it hand soap? But it's actually hand soap, and you get 10 ounces. And this one smells like sweet cherry. That's what it says on the tag. And it smells really nice, like a sweet candied cherry. Very, very sweet. It smells a little different than the Jergens cherry hand soap. You guys know the one. This is the one that I like the best, so I just got one. You guys know how I feel about LA's Totally Awesome. What is this? Oxygen Orange. I love this stuff, and to be honest, I haven't seen it anywhere for like the last month. So I saw 3 of these at my store and I bought 2. I left one on the shelf. I really love this, and when I run the water in my washing machine and a little water starts to fill up, I love to put some of this in, make sure it bubbles up, and then I put my detergent in, and then I start putting my clothes in. But this, if you guys haven't ever smelled it, it smells so fresh and good. You guys will love this. I bought this at the register, you guys. This was a little impulse buy, and it's 4 packs of Extra peppermint sugar-free gum, and I love anything by Extra. I love the peppermint, I love the spearmint, I love the polar ice. They're all really good. So when I went to location number 2 or Dollar Tree number 2 that same day, I found nothing but the faux cactus. But then I glanced over, and you guys, there was like 15 people in line. And to be honest, I was so excited when I went in there because I had just gotten off the phone with Michaels. I asked them if they had any grab bags, and they said they did. And Michaels was going to be my next stop because I wanted to see what the grab bags were. I was super excited. I glanced at the line and I said, forget it, I'm not waiting in line for the faux cactus. I just thought, you know, oh, they'll be at the next location. They'll be at the brand new store I'm about to go to. But I actually didn't find them, so I'm kicking myself, you guys, for not getting those cute faux foam cactus that I've been seeing you guys haul. They're all so pretty and bright. I really, really hope I have another chance to get them. I know you guys probably don't care, like, oh, this is from store 1, this is from store 2. But the only reason I'm saying it is because sometimes you have to go to a variety of Dollar Trees in order to cross things off your wish list. And sometimes you think it's going to be at the next store and it's not. So if you see it, definitely grab it. Bunny, Birdie, and Gator came with me in location number 3. And Birdie picked out this pack of glitter, and it's super pretty. I think she wants to do something with it with some slime. She got the 3-pack. She almost got a tempera paint that was kind of in a real pretty green glitter, but we have a pink glitter here that I think she'll be happy with. And you guys, these are so cute this week. These new journals, I'm kind of wishing I would have gotten a couple other varieties. They are so cute. I love the little belly band. This one says love on the front, and I love like this little thing over here. It kind of looks like a cactus or a pine needle, and I just love all the sketchy like hearts and birds and everything. And you open it up and it's blank right here, but then it's just nicely lined paper. The paper is pretty thin but not horrible, and you just get kind of a gray or black line. I know some of their notebooks sometimes have red lines. I don't really like the red lines that much. But these are so cute. These would be so cute as a gift or something in a gift bag. Something for Valentine's Day or Easter, Mother's Day, whatever. These are definitely cute, and they definitely look like they cost more than $1. I'm a real sucker for notebooks. I totally don't need any more notebooks right now, but when I see something so cute like this, it's really, really hard to resist. I'm sure you saw this little toy in my shop with me. This is what Birdy calls Bucky Joe, and it's kind of like balloony and squishy and stretchy, and I don't know where the name came from, but it's just a little thing that she saw, and every time we did shop with me, she always saw it, and until she didn't see it anymore after months, we think someone maybe bought it. But she found another Bucky Joe, and this one came home with us. So Gator picked out this Hot Wheels vehicle, and it's called Cool Combi, and it's a Volkswagen Bug from the Surf's Up line of Hot Wheels vehicles. And I just really love it because, and this is not really the best picture, but I just really love it because it's kind of little and chunky, and it's just super unique, and I'm just a sucker for super unique things because I think he has like every car possible. So when we see one that looks like really awesome, I'm like, oh, you gotta have that in your collection, because he's truly a collector of these vehicles. And I don't know, I guess I kind of like him too. I figured I might as well pick up one of these spray nozzles while they have them, because it seems like every year I get one and everyone's super rough with it and it breaks. But it's just $1, so whatever. I like that it has the little metal piece here so you can lock it into the on position, and then you have multi-sprays that you can choose and you can just click. They also have them in purple and neon green. I was tempted to get the neon green, but I was wearing blue nail polish the day that I saw this, and I was just kind of feeling blue that day in a good way. I was just totally feeling the color blue, so I picked this one out. It's like kind of a nice teal. But yeah, these are pretty good. I mean, they don't last forever, but I've had one last more than one season before. It just really depends on how often you're using it. I saved the best for last, you guys. I found some new socks. I was so happy. Now in my shop with me, I only filmed some in the men's area, which were these cactus. And they're probably going to be super huge. I really love the blue pot and the black background. The toe is going to be red and the heel is going to be red. These are so cute. I know these are probably going to be super huge. I never buy men's socks, but whatever. Okay, I just got a call from Canada. I've been getting all sorts of calls today, like numbers I don't recognize. So anyways, I got this pair here. More cactus, you guys, and the heel and the toe are pink. Don't you guys love these? They are super adorable. I love these. Anything cactus, you guys know I love them. And look at these. So cute and kawaii. I couldn't believe I found the new socks. Again, I found these in the brand new Dollar Tree. It's only been open for like 2 weeks or less. I love this mint green heel and toe. Then we even have a little mint green in the band up here. These are so cute. It says they're knee highs. But most of the time, you guys, when they say knee-high, it's more like mid-calf. But I haven't tried any of Dollar Tree's knee-highs in quite a while. Look at these, you guys. I love these because we have this sort of Southwest symbol, and I love these colors. These are so pretty. I love the mint green. I love the pretty shade of purple, the neon pink. These are so, so cute to me. And last but not least, and I think these are so pretty and girly, look at these. These would be really cute as a Valentine's Day gift or in a little Valentine's Day bag. We have the pink socks with all the cute bright hearts, and we have a pretty, pretty unicorn. I popped the tag because I want to show you guys how pretty her horn is. Oh, she's so cute. I love these. Do I need any more socks? No, I don't. I totally don't need any more socks, you guys. I have so many pairs of socks. It's kind of ridiculous. I kind of really love socks. I mean, I have my functional socks and my cute socks and, you know, but you guys, I totally don't need any more socks, and I kind of feel bad about buying these socks. However, I haven't seen socks this cute coming out of Dollar Tree for some months. I can't even tell you which one is my favorite. I mean, I love the cactus, but I really love these bright ones here. I love the unicorns. I love the southwestern ones. I mean, they are all so good and so nice. A lot of times when I buy kind of cheaply made socks, I'll wash them and then I'll just like lay them flat on the dryer and let them air dry. If you guys have any concerns about them not lasting, that's definitely something that you can do to really make these socks last a long time. I am so in love with these though. I mean, look at that horn. I just have to show her to you one more time. So cute. But hey, you guys, all I have left is empty bags, so you know what that means. That's the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. Hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below and let me know what is the #1 item on your Dollar Tree wish list. My #1 item on my Dollar Tree wish list as of right now, as of today, are those clear cactus stamps. I can't wait to find those. But anyways, you guys, thanks again for watching. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.